Hey guys, we want to do a special science project with you, and it has a little bit to do with art because of the colors, but you need a few supplies that you probably have at home in your kitchen. You need some oil, vegetable oil is fine, water, and some droplets of food coloring, and it can be the liquid or the gel kind. And then the one item we had to order is Alka Seltzer. All right, you guys ready? Okay, what you need is a clear cup. Now mine has lots of lines in it, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to see, but show yours. These simple cups that don't have as many swirls, they're gonna be the best way to check out your lava lamp, okay? So the first thing you need to do is fill it most of the way full of oil. So I'm gonna put a bunch of oil in the bottom of mine. All right, so the most of it is gonna be oil. So I'm gonna go to about here with oil, and you can do it. If you are only making one at home and you guys have a bunch of oil, you could fill it almost all the way up in your cup. But there you go. Since all three of us are doing it, we're not going to fill ours quite as full, okay? There you go. Our next job will be to add just a little bit of water. So it's mostly oil. Good job. All right, you can let that to the side so everybody can see ya. All right, we're going to take a little bit of just plain water. And I'm just going to add a little bit to the top. You want me to do yours or are you doing it? You want to leave that? Okay, so a little bit of water. And then you guys got to pick out what color of food coloring you want. And this is what's going to make your lava lamp color. So there's blue, green, red, yellow. What would you like? What color would you like? Pick a color. And then you're going to drop in maybe like 5 or 6 drops of food coloring, okay? A couple drops of food coloring. What color are you doing? She's doing green. I think I'm going to do blue. Okay, so just take your time. These ones are the squeezy tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 drops. You can see they go down to the bottom. All right, what color would you like? Green also. Here you go. All right. So you can see already in your cup. Can you see the difference between where the water sits at and where the oil is at? Can you tell the difference? Yeah. Look at it from the side. Can you see the difference? Oh, so these ones separate. The water and the oil, they're different weights, so they separate. And you can see at the bottom, see that clear part? That's where the water is at, and this is all the oil. All right. You got some good droplets? Okay, now we're each going to get one Alka Seltzer tablet, and this is when the magic starts to happen. Are you guys ready? Dun, dun, dun. There's 2 inside there, so I'll tell you what, I'm going to share with somebody here. Here, don't open yours. There you go. So all you need to do is put one little tablet inside. Go ahead, drop it in and see what happens. Ooh. See, it's making bubbles. Is yours starting to move? Mm-hmm. Is it taking the colors with it? Mm-hmm. Not yet?
Oh, yeah.
Mine up.
How long does it last?
Isn't that cool? We just made our own lava lamp, you guys. Do you see how the color gets picked up by the water droplets? Oh, and it moves it up the cup.
Yours is cool.
Isn't that neat? Oh, look at all your bubbles.
Couldn't you have like a little spinner or something?
Maybe. You can see all the bubbles moving.
That's like crazy.
Isn't that neat? So it's like a homemade lava lamp. See your green one?
When this one stops, can you put this one another in?
Do you see the droplets moving?
How long does it last?
I don't know. We'll have to see how long it lasts.
If you put another one in, do you think it will keep bubbling?
Yeah, we can try it again. They wanted to know if we put another tablet in, if it'll keep bubbling, so we can try it again.
Just try it on one.
Ooh.
Mine's at the top right now.
Yours are all at the top?
No, my
Oh, your tablet is? Yeah.
No.
Isn't that neat? All right, you guys, so this is just some basic supplies. Like I said, this was the only item we had to really order just to make sure that we had it. But super simple. Most of your cup you want filled up with the oil, just a little bit of water, and then your food coloring sticks with the water, and that's what allows it to move through and make that lava lamp. Do you guys have fun? Yeah? All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you can do this at home. Bye.